welcome back to my channel. Oh god, it looks like I'm naked. I'm not naked. Let me try and fix this. And it looks like I've got no hair. Now you can see my bra strap. We're just going to have to deal with it. Let's just deal. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me in another video. So I don't know if you'll remember, but about a week ago I posted a video showing you my Makeup Revolution 2017 best products. So the products from Makeup Rev that I fell in love with last year. If you've not seen that video, I'll leave it listed down below in the description box for you. So in that video I did say that I would love to do a makeup tutorial using the products just to kind of showcase them and obviously give you some advice or tips or help you be creative with a makeup look if you've got some of these and you don't know exactly what to do with them or how to use them or how to get creative. So I've tried to use as much products as I spoke about as possible, and I decided that today's video would be a Valentine's Day look. So this is the very first Valentine's Day look that I've filmed. If you're excited to see the video, please give it a thumbs up, and oh, before we get started, make sure that you've entered my giveaway to win a eyeliner. I'll leave that listed down below in the description box as well if you've not seen it. And oh my god, I feel like I've been speaking at like 40 miles per hour. Anyway, let's get started. First things first, we're going to go in with the blinding Revolution Flawless 3 Resurrection palette. Why did I say Revolution? You all know it's Makeup Revolution. There's like so many crease shades to use here, like all of these kind of neutral shades. There's so much things that you can use in your crease, which is why I love this palette so much. So I think we're going to have a lot of crease work in this tutorial. So let's go in with this shade here. I'm sorry I don't know the names because I always chuck them little slips of paper away just because they kind of annoy me. They just get in the way. They always fall out when I open the palette and that really annoys me, so I just tend to chuck them away. Sorry about that. But if you've not got this palette and you're following along at home with this tutorial, then you're just wanting to take a matte, light, kind of orangey based colour or anything that would work well with your skin tone. We're just going to blend this up towards the brow bone. Oh, also, if you're wondering why I'm a totally different colour from what I usually am, it's because I've got fake tan on, and yeah, I'm a different colour. Okay, next up I'm going to go into this yellowy colour. It kind of looks like a yellowy mustard shade and I'm loving using them on the eyes recently. So I'm going to really pack that on the brush and pop that into the crease. I'm just using the same fluffy brush that I used to put the first colour on. I'm just trying to really deepen up the crease and give it a lot of dimension. Oh my god, my throat is so sore. We're out yesterday because we were shopping for bridesmaids dresses because one of my sisters is getting married in July this year, and one of my other sisters, I have 3 guys, there's a lot of us, one of my other sisters had a sore throat, and I think perhaps, just perhaps, I may have caught it because my throat is so sore today. I'm not sure why, but this side is looking so much darker than this side. Maybe it's just my eyes. Okay, next I'm going to deepen the crease further using this pinky shade here. It's very pretty and I'm taking that on a smaller, fluffier brush because I don't want this to kind of blow out as much. I want to kind of keep it defined into the crease. With pigmented colours like pinks and reds, I tend to put them in one position first and blend it out and then move on to the next section of the crease, like so. So starting in the outer V, blending it out. Well, not outer V, but like outer half of the crease. Blend it out in the pigmentation that you want. Then take more product and pop it in again to this section and then blend it out there. Just because sometimes they're hard to blend, so that's just the easiest way that I've found to ensure that they don't go patchy. Oh, my eye feels like it's proper going numb now that I've been brushing it back and forward for ages. This is a nice light gold shade, and on a clean fluffy brush I'm just going to take a little bit and run it underneath the brow bone. I always say that, I don't mean underneath the brow bone. Is this on the right setting? Oh, you are. Good job. I mean underneath the brow, on the brow bone, just to give it a little bit of light. Obviously I will still apply highlighter here, but it just gives it a little bit of a lift. Okay, I'm now switching to the I Heart Makeup Rose Gold palette, which looks like this. It's so beautiful. And we're going to be taking this deeper red tone. As you can see, it's a lot deeper than the last kind of pinky red shade that we used. And I'm going to take this on the same brush that we used to put the pinky red shade in. And with this, I'm just going to work this on the outer the outer half of the mobile eyelid. I'm actually going to take the brownie colour that's next to this red and blend them in together because I want it to be a lot more darker and deeper than what it is. I'm going to blend them together. Just deepen that up. Don't matter about it being all messy as well, because if you're anything like me, I do my foundation last so that I can clean all of this up with a cotton bud and then put my foundation. I'm now taking this beautiful burgundy red foiled shadow. I think I'm just going to use it with my finger because that is the best way to apply foiled shadows. And I'm going to put this into the inner half of the eyelid. You are going to get fallout, don't worry about that. Nothing really that you can do about it. And it's so easy to brush away that there's not much point in complaining about it. Now that that's on, and I definitely look like I've been punched in both of my eyes, we're going to fix that, it's going to be fine. I am now taking the Love the Revolution palette. I want to deepen up the outer V using this gorgeous burgundy plummy brown shade. Now you do not have to use all three palettes, I'm simply using lots of different colours from lots of different palettes just to showcase the Makeup Revolution bits that I love. I'm taking that shade on a pencil brush and I'm just going to work it into the outer V of the eye just to deepen it up. I think for just now I'm just going to leave it how it is and see what it's like once I put some eyeliner on. So I'm just going to clean up the edges and do the eyeliner just now. This is not a product from Makeup Revolution. Creepy. No, it's not for eating. You've not taken cotton buds. Oh, you could be sitting, can I? Say hello to everyone. Say hello. I'm about to get a kiss. Cooper, you're showing off my bad side. What's the matter? Are you crying? What's your matter? You say, Mummy, I need to go out. Stop filming so you can take me a walk. A walk? A what? A walkie. Hello. Hello. I'm Poopy. Tell everybody what you want them to do. I want you all to go and subscribe to my mummy's channel. Yay! Oh. Right, go get Daddy then. And Mummy will finish your makeup. Go get Daddy. He's so cute, I didn't even tell him to say that. So if you're wondering what I just used to do my eyeliner, the actual liner part that lined my eye is the Soap & Glory Super Cat Skinny Liquid Eyeliner. And to do this fast and amazing wing, this is the San Filippo Wing It. It has a stamp on one end and a liner on the other end. It's only $9.99. I'll leave the link below for this product if you want to buy it, along with a, I think it's 15% off code. 15% off, which is an affiliate link. And if you're interested in being in with a chance to win one of these, then I will link my giveaway video down below in the description box, because yeah, I have a giveaway ongoing just now where 2 people can win one of these each. I'm going to go off camera and do my mascara and my foundation and my eyebrows because, oh, and concealer, because none of those products are by Makeup Revolution. And you've seen me do foundation etc. lots of times before, and mascara, and really I want this video to be about showcasing my love for these Makeup Revolution products. Whew, guys, let me tell you, that was a mission. Used a new eyebrow product, used a new concealer, just wasn't happy with it, so I'm looking like this, please don't judge. Let's finish off the eyes. I am going to take, first of all, this pinky reddy colour that we put through the crease from the Flawless 3 Resurrection palette. I'm just going to put that underneath the eye first of all. And then I'm going to darken it up with the red that we used from the Rose Gold palette. And And I'm then going to use that plummy brownie colour and just run that along the lash line, keeping it quite close to the lash line as well. I don't want it to go all smoked out, just to give the lower lash line a little bit of definition. Whilst I'm here, I'm actually just going to take that colour into the waterline as well. So I'm just putting it on the brush and dabbing it inside the waterline. I'm going to use the Love the Revolution palette again, and I'm going to use this shade here as a contour. I did do this, whoop, chucking my brush away. I did do this in a video, I think it was maybe last year sometime, and this worked really well as a contour, so I'm going to do it again and just contour my cheekbones. It's a really nice grey tone. For highlighter, I am of course going to use the So Does Nails palette with Makeup Revolution, and because I've got a little bit of a deeper skin tone just now, I'm going to mix this peachy colour with this goldy colour, and I think that will be so beautiful on the skin. This is honestly such a glowy palette, I love it so much. Oh, can you guys see that? That is highlight done. And then for blusher, we'll go back into this palette and use this gorgeous eyeshadow shade because it works just as good as a blusher as well, and the colour will go with the look and the eyes. You do have to be a little bit careful with this colour though because it's extremely pigmented, so you don't want to end up taking too much and ruining your whole look. Okay, now into the inner corner of the eye. I'm thinking about taking this kind of pinky foiled shade because it's kind of pink and kind of gold. It's a duochrome. I think that'll look pretty cool in here. Let's give it a little go. Might have to use my finger. No, it doesn't look that great, so I'm going to take this gold shade in the top corner instead and just apply that over the top just to brighten the inner corner. Fab, so now I'm just going to apply a little bit of mascara to my lower lashes. I'm loving how smoky this is. This is the Thick and Fast mascara by Soap & Glory, if any of you are wondering. And now the last thing to do is apply some lipstick. So I spoke about the, what are these called again? Renaissance lipsticks. This is in the shade Awaken and this was in the shade Breathe. So Awaken is a nice pinky colour. I'm actually going to try that because I think that would be quite pretty on the lips. So give that a go and see if that looks okay. I do like that colour, but I don't know if it... Do you know what? I was going to say, I don't know if it makes it look too girly and not smoky enough, but it is Valentine's Day and I wanted a smoky, sultry eye, but I don't know if I wanted that on the lips too. I'm quite happy with that. It goes with the cheek colour, kind of girlies it up a little bit. And this is the finished look. So there we go, that is the finished makeup look. I really hope you've enjoyed it and you have enjoyed the video. Please let me know what part of this makeup look is your favourite. Is it the glowy highlighter, the soft subtle lip, or the bold smoky eye? Please let me know down below, and what kind of other Valentine's Day looks that you would like to see. I am going to do a Valentine's Day get ready with me, which includes hair, makeup and outfit. So that is something that will definitely be coming. But yeah, tell me what other kind of makeup looks you would like to see for Valentine's Day and I'll be sure to take all of your comments into consideration. Once again, make sure that you have entered my giveaway. It will be listed down below in the description box. I want as much of you as possible to enter to be in with the chance of winning an eyeliner pen. It's such a cool eyeliner, let me tell you. Oh, my throat. Whew. Breathe through the pain. Praying that the pain goes away. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you on Sunday with another Valentine's Day look. And I will see you on Sunday with another Valentine's Day makeup look. Bye!